car running low on oil is in danger of breaking down, especially in a cold snap. Gina is going to show us how to check your oil and fill it up in less than a minute. 3, 2, 1, go.
So checking your oil is really quick and simple. Your dipstick here, basically take that out, give it a good clean. You got your minimum, maximum marks, dip it back in. And then you want to basically see the line where the oil is. You want it to be between the marks, but there's none in there. So we'll give it a little top up. Take your filler cap off there. You've got your oil here, and basically you can go online, put your reg in and check it's the right oil for the right car. Fill it up little by little. Pop the cap back on and let it filter through. And basically this time you want it to be between the minimum and maximum, which we're not far off there. And that's it. Simple as that.
Perfect.